In this lecture, we're going to cover Big Idea 1, Standard 3. Topic for today is isotopes. So we've already introduced isotopes, so this should sound familiar. Isotopes are two or more atoms of the same element with the same atomic number, but different mass numbers. So if they are elements of the same, two or more atoms of the same element, it means they're going to have the same atomic number. Atomic number is equal to the number of protons. But they have different mass numbers. And remember, to get the mass number, we're going to add the number of protons and neutrons together. So that means that isotopes have the same number of protons. But if the number of protons are the same and the mass is different, that means the neutrons must be different. Isotopes have a different number of neutrons. So oxygen 16, oxygen 17, and oxygen 18 are all isotopes. Since they're all oxygen, they have the same atomic number, which means they have the same number of protons. If I take my mass number minus the atomic number, that will give me the number of neutrons. So these three atoms would be isotopes. They're the same element, they have the same atomic number, meaning the same number of protons, but they have different mass numbers, indicating that they have a different number of neutrons. Let's say you were asked, how do magnesium 24 or how does magnesium 24 differ from magnesium 25? How does magnesium 24 differ from magnesium 25? Well, they're both magnesium, so we know that the number of protons is going to be the same, but how does magnesium 25 differ? Well, magnesium 25 has one more neutron than magnesium 24. So we can see that the masses are different, but the reason that the masses are different is because magnesium 25 has one more neutron. Let's try another. which of the following is an isotope of an element with 6 protons, 6 neutrons, and 6 electrons? And we had 3 choices, A, B, or C. So first, isotopes have the same atomic number, meaning they have to have the same number of protons. So right away, A should be out. Next, isotopes have different mass numbers. So the element in the question has a mass number of 12. The element in C also has a mass number of 12. So C is out as well. So B would be our isotope. I have the same number of protons. The element in the question has a mass number of 12. The element in B would have a mass number of 13. So B would be your isotope. A C would be an ion because I don't have the same number of protons and electrons. Last question. Circle the elements that are isotopes. Alright, so for this one, the first two, the top number is 14 for both of them. For the bottom two, the bottom number is 6 for both of them. So remember our notation system. The top number is the mass number. Isotopes do not have the same mass number. Isotopes have the same atomic number. So carbon 14 and carbon 12 would be the isotopes. They both have 6 protons. Carbon 12 would have 6 neutrons. Carbon 14 would have 8 neutrons.